so I can't bear it. Her lips graze my facial hair. I think I will make a wonderful parent. All these niggas my sons anyway, oh yeah. I'm falling in love with her, that's apparent. You can say what you want, bitch, I don't care. If she leaves me, her blood spills. So I would kill for love, big deal. Last few years, life seems unreal. Words can't describe the way I feel. Intimacy, I hold her closely. These other girls try to coax me. They're no good, you could quote me. V5-4, I'm marching along. Tic-tac-toe, 3 times in a row. Do-re me, I sing for a love. Can't copy that feeling, no King Cole. She got drive like McLaren's. I can't help but to stop and stare. I ain't no grizzly, so I can't bear it. Her lips graze my facial hair. I think I will make a wonderful parent. All these niggas my sons anyway, oh yeah. I'm falling in love with her, that's apparent. You can say what you want, bitch, I don't care.
When I get that cut at DOA, I hit it on the floor. Take that gun to MIA, she never coming home. Her boyfriend keep acting tough, that boy be bluffing on the phone. Why you at my nuts? I took her on a trip to Rome. Better be lucky you took a low blow and ain't take no phone. I had me about 4 hoes, load them in the coupe like a 4 dogs. Yeah, telling me something that I wanna hear. No, no way, baby, I am right here. Who put that in your head that I don't care? Who put that in your head, God, I swear. Who put that in your head, that's a fake dress. She give me head, she can feel her head. She on her knees, she can feel her legs. I'm up the brick, can't feel my bed. Popping them pill like them shit bags. Rockin' that Gucci and rockin' that Louis and rockin' that brother like they broke it.
She got drive like McLaren's. I can't help but to stop and stare. I ain't no grizzly, so I can't bear it. Her lips graze my facial hair. I think I will make a wonderful parent. All these niggas my sons anyway, oh yeah. I'm falling in love with her, that's apparent. You can say what you want, bitch, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
How could you know, Jaden? How could you know? How could you know, Jaden?
I hate wasting time. She from the other side, call the core line. Her demons on the rise, coming after my life. Something here ain't right. She gave me a few pills, some blue and some white. Life is a bitch, and my struggles are mood swings. Other people may say that my life is a movie. Filling my prescriptions, wish they were everlasting. I sell my soul, I pawn it, can I have it back, please? Give it up, stole back my soul on the run. I'm sick of fist fighting demons, I'm about to grab me a gun. Gotta always keep going, I ain't never giving up. I ain't never double tried to take advantage, couldn't do it, I'm too clever. Down in pills, got me nodding off, keep it together. On the real, where's the fentanyl? It brings me pleasure. Don't matter if we take too much, long as we take it together. Waiting for these opiates to kick in and it's taking forever. Walk out sipping, I can taste it forever. Feel like I may fall in a double cup and stay there forever. Wonder which doctors discover codeine. Probably a witch doctor mixing up potion. She from the other side, call the core line. Her demons on the rise, coming after my life. Something here ain't right. She gave me a few pills, some blue and some white. Okay, I ain't okay. Pain make me blame misery. This a switchblade stuck in my brain. I don't complain, I'll be straight. Pills in my brain, going insane. Dark shadow figures in the doorway. I tell myself it's okay, I'll be okay, I'll be okay. I ain't okay, I hate wasting time. She from the other side, call the core line.
How could you know, Jaden?
Just wanna let you know I love you, but
I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you. And I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you.
down so easily I frown, but I need you in my life. Our souls are intertwined. Baby, you know that you got a knife on your tongue. Cut away at everything that I bask in. Downplay my thoughts and all of my opinions. So much for being repetitive. You say the perfect things to make me feel like I'm not enough for you. It kinda sucks cause I am in love with you. You make me feel so damn uncomfortable to tell you how I feel. But I want this for real, not a faker. Kinda scared to tell you my problems, you seem abrasive. Running away from all of the drama, I've been evasive. Still thinking about it on a daily basis.
You used to say it was forever, I remember. Trying to forget, I can't forget you. Got your makeup on my sweater, and I know that it's all over, but memories live forever. For the worse or for the better. Can't let you go, my heart won't let it. Can't let you go, and you know it. I put my all in, I give you whatever. My heart and you broke it. You were so selfish, nothing to help me. I was so blinded, but I couldn't help it. I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you. And I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back. It's all a little too much, and I'm in need of your love. Cause I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you.
Down so easily I frown. Your words, they on my mind, but I'll lie and say I'm fine. When you put me down so easily I frown, but I need you in my life. Our souls are intertwined.
I'm running back to you. I'm running back to you.
How could you know, Jaden? How could you know? How could you know?
Guess I'll be hurting forever. Haven't took person forever. Say that you love me, whatever. I just don't know any better. Studio writing you letters. I'ma be worried forever. Maybe it's all for the better. Or maybe it's all for none. But I won't call for none. Ain't waiting on you, girl. I won't stall for none. I know you think about me, but bitch, I'm out of your reach. You like one of my tweets. I made that shit last week. You like it all on me. Pockets on big like meat. Practice what I preach. I drop a one in my link. I really lose your dream. Know how to lose a dream. I met you in my dreams. Know how to lose a dream. In Hollywood looking for freaks. I peruse the scene. Anti-social media. I spend $1 million in peace. I really lose your dream. Know how to lose a dream. I met you in my dreams. Know how to lose a dream. In Hollywood looking for freaks. I peruse the scene. Anti-social media. I spend $1 million in peace. I made $1 million in weeks. I make my songs for the week. I'm on a Perkins, so I'm not hurting. Bitches run through my heart and my head. Gucci calls me an arm and a leg. Another heartbreak, blood all on my clothing. My fans nosy, they wanna know what's wrong with me. Do they really, or do they wanna make a song with me? I bought new Dior's, 1 week later they're dirty. Dirty like these hoes, sick of this on herpes. I already know that these bitches lurking. Pull up to my show, bad hoes in the front row. Major store rolls, keep them on their toes. Love and let them go, fuck it, my heart is exposed, fuck it. Call for none, ain't waiting on you, girl, I won't stall for none. I know you think about me, but bitch, I'm out of your reach. You like one of my tweets, I made that shit last week. You like it all on me, pockets on big like meat. Practice what I preach, I drop a one in my link. I really lose your dream, know how to lose a dream. I met you in my dreams, know how to lose a dream. In Hollywood looking for freaks, I peruse the scene. Anti-social media, I spend $1 million in peace. I really lose your dream, know how to lose a dream. I met you in my dreams, know how to lose a dream.
God is good.
God is good.
God is great.
So great.
I do not play about my food, so nigga get out of my plate.
Get down on my face.
God is good.
So good.
Damn, it's so great.
Amazing.
I'm about to tear this chicken up and I'ma eat it just like it's a steak.
Woo, 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 woo.
Damn. I'm giving thanks. You know I like spaghetti.
Slurping it up.
The cornbread is ready.
Delicious.
I'm about to pipe it up. Then I'ma some liquor in my cup. Then I'ma go to my mama and tell her that shit was so fun. I wanna thank you for my food.
Shit was so good.
I couldn't eat it without you. Yeah, I wanna thank you for these things.
Look at the ice.
Okay.